Hello everyone, this is Ajit and I'm here to discuss with you about the new tool which Google just launched, which is called Gemini Omni Flash. Okay, so while creating a AI cinematic video or UGC ad, so consistent character is always been a challenge with a multiple camera angle. But here I can see that we can create a consistent character shot with the multiple camera angles using this tool, which have a new feature called storyboarding. Also we have an agent which help us to create a video with a multiple camera angle like a crew member. Recently I have created one video with a multiple camera angle and a different shots using this tool. Okay, all right. So as you can see, I have created one consistent character with the skateboard and put that character in a different environments and also use a different camera angles. So how we can exactly create that using Gemini Omni? Okay, so first of all, we need to create a story. Okay, once we have a storyline, then we can create a multiple shots. To create a story, I generally take a help of Gemini. So I'm inside Gemini now. I have created one storyline over here and asked Gemini to create a complete whole story with a scene and shot breakdown. So let's see what it will create. It created with the multiple scenes, including visual, setting, action, and audio as well. So it already created a 5 scene sequence. Now we will go inside a flow and create a different character and scenes first. So I will copy this first. So it is also telling me the character details and everything, but no need to generate that. So over here I will create a new project. Once new project is created, as you can see, here there is one option called agent, which as I mentioned, it will help us to create a multiple shot in the overall process. And inside a video setting, as you can see, Omni Flash model is here. Okay, so before we directly create a video using a Omni Flash, it will also show a multiple tools which are readily available. So I will click on the tools and select one tool which is called storyboard. So this is a storyboard studio. Okay, so let me open the storyboard studio first. So it will ask me for the what style I generally prefer to create a video. So I will select a realistic one, get started. So here it is asking me for a script, but what I will do, I will paste the script which I generally created using Gemini inside it and just enter. So it will start writing a new script using the old one which is created using Gemini. As you can see, uh, wheels and windows. Okay, nice title. And this created a character called Maya, and also it will show us a different scene with each and every detail inside it. As you can see, near script tag there is an asset. So in asset I will start creating a different components of this overall film. So I will just click on the autofill characters and it will start generating the character according to the script. It created 3 characters which are part of my overall script. Okay, now we will generate locations. So just click on the autofill locations and it will start generating. Okay, cool. All the locations are created which are the part of the script. As you can see, town center, library plaza, everything is there. Now let's create a prop as well, which is a part of the script. Okay, all right. So as our main character is going to use skateboard as a prop, so it is also generated. Now I have downloaded all the images in one place. Now next step you can see over here is a storyboard. So if I click on the storyboard, it will create one by one shot or frames over here. But remember, you don't need to use this feature. We need to use the images which created as an asset, and we will use a script which we created inside the Gemini. So as you can see, everything is created over here as which is already inside my project. So what we will do, we will click on this agent. So first I will go inside the agent instruction and then add first instruction. So I will add a reference. I will create a main character called Maya. So I will add an instruction over here called Maya main character. Second, in a first scene, as you can see over here, in a scene 1 there is only main character, skateboard and background, so we need to upload only those images as an instruction. So I will copy this scene 1 first. Over here upload skateboard image and called it a prop skateboard, and then add one more instruction, a background. So here is my first background. So I put an instruction as a background over here. So this is done. So I will open agent window and put first scene instruction inside this, and it will ask me for the approval. You can disable this as well. As you can see, our first video is created. Let's check it. Okay, so first video is created as expected. As you can see, it is taking a multiple angles and consistent character. Now similarly, we need to copy the scene 2 from our Gemini script and paste it over there. Scene 2, as you can see, we are mentioning few pedestrians over here. Okay, catches the eye of an old man as well over here. Okay, which is mentioned. So we need to add images of these people as well. So I will go back to the instructions, change the background. Let's add it as a old man. Let's add one more character which is created called pedestrian. Click on it, done, and paste scene 2. Now let's see how it will create a scene 2. As you can see, scene 2 is also generated. Let's see. Okay, all right. So most of the shots are useful over here, but as you can see, this is not created as expected, as mentioned inside the prompt. So let's try to regenerate this scene. So maybe let me add this character, which is an old man. Let's see if it will create or generate it properly or not. Okay, all right. So as you can see, new video is generated. Let's check. Okay, so all shots are nicely done, but uh, this moment is looking a little bit abrupt. Okay, but as I mentioned, this the few limitations of this tool. Uh, Maybe we can understand them and tweak our storyboard accordingly. So over here, I just open the first clip and just add the second one, add to the scene. Okay, so both the scenes are added inside of one clip, as you can see. Now let's try to play them. Right, so over here, as you can see, these are the additional frames which I can easily trim. So as soon as she exit, I will cut this shot over here. Okay, and start the next one. Also, as I mentioned, I don't like this abrupt moment, so what I will do, I will cut this shot over here. Okay, and I will directly put the third one. Okay, so similarly you can create the rest of the shots and attach them using any tool like a Premiere Pro or After Effects, or you can stitch them over here as well, as I shown. So final movie will look something like this with the multiple camera angle and consistent shots. Here it goes. Okay, alright, thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe me and see you in the next video. Thank you.